In this video, I'm going to show you how Rewardsly can create loyalty rewards programs and gift card systems for small businesses to use in their stores or on their websites to make much more revenue. Statistics show the majority of a business's revenue doesn't come from new leads, but from repeat customers. The very best way to ensure repeat customers is through loyalty programs like mobile rewards programs or gift cards, which Rewardsly can create and set up in no time at all. To get started, let's first create a loyalty rewards program for a small business to help them get repeat business. You can do this by first going to Store and having Rewardsly generate a new smart AI QR code which captures a customer's email address, sets up their personal rewards membership for them, and tracks their points in redeemable rewards. Click Create New Store and give the store you're working with a name, location, a URL, which will host their special QR code and time zone. I've already created one, which we can view at any time, by pressing this button and entering the secret code to unlock and view the QR code. Now businesses can print out this QR code for customers to scan using their phone to track their rewards in the store, or embed it like this onto any thank you page of an online store. When anyone holds up their phone, the QR code will first capture their email and create a rewards membership for them. Then allow them to view the points they've accumulated for any purchase and rewards they are working toward to redeem. So if they buy a sub from a sandwich shop, for example, that can count as 2 rewards points that go toward a free sub worth 12 rewards points. Speaking of rewards, let's go ahead and add some for our new store we just created. To do that, navigate to Actions, Add Reward, or click on the Reward tab. Or we can go back and edit any reward we've been working on like this. I've already started creating a reward for our local donut shop. Start by selecting the store we want this reward to apply toward. The reward name, for example, 1/2 dozen free donuts, a description of the reward, and the points this reward is worth. Let's make it worth 12 rewards points. And the time the customer can redeem the reward. We don't want them trying to redeem a reward years later after they've earned it. Next, choose a beautiful template that we can customize and will show in their mobile rewards membership. This makes them want to work harder toward achieving that reward. Then customize the template. We can upload our own images, change the color around like this, change the text around to exactly how we want it. Finally, customize the email that will be sent out when the customer goes to redeem the reward, including a secret access coupon code, proving they've legitimately earned the reward by spending money at their business. And of course, you'll want to create multiple rewards for each business, like 12 points for a free box of donuts, 100 points for a birthday party hosted at the local business's location, etc. Also at any time, we can customize the amount of points customers can earn for every purchase in the store or a specific purchase, and embed specific QR codes for specific products if some are worth more rewards points than others. Remember, everything is fully customizable for any business with Rewardsly. At any time, you can check on each customer's rewards in the customer dashboard to see their contact information, points they've accumulated, status, and more. Plus, Rewardsly integrates with top autoresponders. You can upload each email address you capture through the AI QR code to remarket to over and over. Now, if that wasn't already mind-blowing, Rewardsly is also the first app that creates and sells full gift card systems to local businesses. You or the client can customize gift cards in the app, integrate with our payment solutions, and sell the gift cards right on the store to make money and get repeat business for the store. To start creating and selling gift cards, click on the Gift Cards tab and select Create New Gift Card to create one from scratch, or you can edit a gift card you've already started working on. First, choose which store you want to associate the gift card with, the gift card name, description, and choose the currency. Rewardsly can create gift cards in every currency out there. You can choose to create a standard paid gift card or a free one that can act as a voucher for a specific customer or for a promotion you're doing. Also, you can set the time the gift card could be redeemed and any terms of use you want to add. Next, you can create variations of your card available in different amounts. Now, just like Apple has gift cards for $25, $50, or $100, you can create gift cards for different redeemable amounts as well. So here I created one gift card for $15 and another for $30. Then choose your gift card template. Rewardsly comes with tons of different types of gift card templates in many different niches that are fully customizable. Select the template you want and hit Customize Template. Like the rewards templates, you can upload images, change colors, change text, and more. Finally, customize the email notifications the customer will receive, including when they purchase, redeem the gift card, and more. Each email template is editable with shortcodes for specific purchases and gift cards. When you're ready, simply integrate the gift card with a link provided by Rewardsly. You can help the client sell the gift cards on their site or in their store by setting up and integrating Razorpay, Stripe, or PayPal by going to the Integrations tab. Just enter your client's email and key, and they can start collecting payments and issuing refunds through the payment processor of their choice. Finally, to monitor how your rewards programs and gift card programs are doing, go to Analytics to see essential analytics like rewards redeemed, visitor count, subscribers captured, and far more to prove to your clients how well their loyalty programs are helping their business. As you can see, everything is here to help you run a loyalty program agency and provide an in-demand service that businesses will be happy to pay you for month after month.